Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing corporate restructuring in Thailand. And my thoughts really go out to a lot of folks doing business, especially SMEs here in Thailand that have been doing business the last 8-9 months in the sort of shadow of the response to COVID here in Thailand. Because a number of businesses, especially food and beverage, tourist-related businesses, entertainment-related businesses, and even larger businesses that rely on, they sort of operate B2B, business to business, but they provide services. They're vendors for example, various, we've seen alcohol distribution, for example, has been tremendously truncated as a result of as an indirect result of the restrictions placed on food and beverage companies, for example, restaurant businesses, bars, etc. And that's just one example, but we've also seen clients who are in, the linens, laundry, things that are sort of downline from a lot of the major tourism concerns. Transportation businesses, we've seen a lot of them have real problems here in recent months. But long story short, and the reason I'm making this video is, fortunately for many, we have seen more restructuring lately than we've seen flat out dissolutions. And this certainly is best for all parties concerned, as generally speaking, the company, a distressed company, which might be being bought out or merging with another company, is better than just ending the company's existence for a lot of different reasons, including maintaining various jobs, etc. So long story short, restructuring is one option for a distressed company here in Thailand, but merging companies can have its own sort of myriad legal issues associated with getting the company merged, dealing with all the formalities associated with perhaps, removing the prior management team of a given company, or merging that company in such a way that there's a chain of command within the greater corporate group. Again, this is going to be really driven by the facts of a given case. And to be clear, I'm an American attorney. I'm a naturalized Thai citizen. I'm the managing director of the firm. A lot of our Thai attorneys here in office handle this stuff. They also handle matters pertaining to the accounting side of dealing with the corporate restructuring. And oftentimes various assets moving across corporate books, that can have a tremendous amount of tax implications, taxable events can occur, etc. So probably not a bad idea if you're looking at doing a corporate restructure in Thailand. Especially SMEs tend to think, yeah, it's probably not that big a deal. I have a company, so-and-so has a company. We'll just figure out a way to put them together. You need to look at that, because failure to correctly formalize relevant documentation associated with how the company is set up, especially in a merger context, it could result in a situation where down the line you find out you've got ongoing liability or some sort of ongoing costs associated with maintaining some sort of formality or compliance associated with a company you thought had merged long ago and you didn't have anything to do with it. So again, probably not a bad idea. Contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.